most of you know that I grew up in the theater, right?
Yes.
I grew up in the theater when I was, wala pictures, mamaya lalabas yan. When I was 8 years old, 8 or 9 years old, I did The Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe. Yes, at the Morocco Theater. And I did the role of Edmund. And believe it or not, I shared that role with this guy. Kilala niyo ba kung sino?
Yes! Iñaki!
Now, eto na siya. I shared that role with him. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Iñaki Ping! Iñaks! Hey, man! This is... No! Ikaw ba nagpalagay ng picture na yan? Nakaya...
Medyo bro. Kasi tingnan mo, if we repeat that shot right now, hindi na makikita yung ulo.
Grabe. Alam mo, I'm really proud of you, Iñaki. Dahil, ilan to ka na? You were 12, 13, and
Yeah.
since then, you were maintaining that weight. Amazing!
Okay,
Ay, yun pa rin eh, no?
saka nga Givin.
Yun na yun.
Medyo
Oh, hindi.
malasog.
Wait, niloko lang si Iñaki. Can you believe it? You lost how many pounds?
30.
30 pounds and he still looks
Pero,
that way.
pero pag tumabi ako kay Sam, bumabalik yung 30 pounds.
Oo. Ay, nako, Iñaki. Alam mo, can you believe it? We were there
Yes. And
years ago,
and we didn't know that we were both going to join TV reality
yeah,
shows.
TV reality shows. You were in Pinoy Dream Academy.
Yes.
I was in Little Big Star.
Yes.
Wow.
Champion!
Hindi champion! Hindi, go! Wait up. I'm not done speaking here. Bro!
Issue! Issue!
And I'm really proud of you.
May issue
Pero
na.
sorry talaga, tinalo ka ni La Arnie.
Okay lang yun. Alam mo naman bro, no sport ako
Kaaway
eh.
mo!
La Arnie. Kasi La Arnie eh.
Oo.
Nanalo sa
Nanalo siya.
La Arnie, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ang layo eh. Sorry.
Sino mo bibigyan? Okay. Naalala mo si Charis.
What, man?
Wait, ito ah.
I'm game.
Di ba hindi naman siya nanalo? Pero sikat na sikat siya sa abroad ngayon, di ba?
You got me there.
Eh, malay mo ako ganun rin.
I
Diba?
still
Oo.
love that!
Okay, quits na tayo. Quits na. Fair na. Ganun nga ang mangyayari sa'yo, bro. Hindi. Alam mo, totoo, nangyayari na yan kay Iñaki. Di ba? It's happening to you.
Sampa din!
Can you believe he has a single out? Can you, di ba may single ka?
Ganun ba?
Oo, ganun nga.
Oo, ganun ba?
Ganun
Ganun
nga.
yung sinasabi ko, ganun.
Ano title?
Ganun ba?
Ganun ba?
Oo, ganun nga.
Okay. Yun na! Iñaki Ting, ladies and gentlemen.
If you guys know this song, please sing along with me. Ganun ba?
Ganun ba?
Tapos na.
Tapos na.
Wala nang aasahan pa. Ganun ba?
Ganun ba?
Ganun lang. Wala nang second chance man lang. Ibinigay kong todo ang lahat na aking makakaya. Pero kulang, di ko man lang naisip na masasaktan din ako. Saan kaya nakulang ang lahat na aking ibinuhos na damdamin? Di ko man lang nalaman kung yung nadaramay ganun din. Ganun ba? Tapos na,
Tapos na.
wala nang aasahan pa. Ganun ba?
Ganun ba?
Ganun lang.
Ganun lang.
Wala nang second chance man lang. Day.